Hi guys, today I'm going to show you all the things that I bought and that I won. I also show you some of my CDs, Star Wars and I don't know, the Crime City, Streets of LA. True Crime. It was True Crime, Streets of LA, and I also bought some things in the store. I bought these teeth with the tongue, plastic tongue. You can clearly see it's plastic. The teeth. And guess what it makes? You just have to blow and it goes. Yeah, I bought this thing, and today I was at the Empire State Building and I bought a souvenir. New York. Empire State Building. Made in USA. You can clearly see. Made. Wait, let's hold my. It's made in USA, so it's good. I also got these new glasses. What's up, Hobie? What's the dude, man? I gotta breathe on my eyes in the stand. Yeah, pretty lame. But the glasses are cool. I also got some snow glasses. Almost winter, I'm gonna go ski. And I'll put them just to try them. Oh man, look at me, I'm pro skier. Yeah, so as I was saying, I also won some prizes. Oh, I also bought this Nokia, the cell phone. Still works. Five megapixel. That's pretty cool. And I also bought this Motorola. And that is the M sign. Here is this Motorola. It still works. It's cool. I bought these two cell phones. And as I was saying the second time, now the third, I also won a prize. I was at a dancing competition. It was the best dancer, and it was a talent show, and I won. But guess what? They gave me a prize. But now you will be excited because you will see that they thought a girl would win. They never expected me. They thought a girl would win, girls would win, and they got all girls trophies. So guess what? So yeah, Please subscribe, like, comment, and you should like, comment what you want to see from me. You can send me mail. I will put the address down below, the link. Not now, but someday I will put it. You can send me mail. Oh, and then comment box, you can say, you can write the things that you want for me to show on the video. So yeah, see you later.